Welcome to another video. It's your favorite math professor here, Dr. Tarcia Hubert. And in this video, we're going to talk about pie charts. Yes, I'm pretty sure you've seen these before. They look like pies. You see this over here. But it's a way to label qualitative or to display qualitative data. It's a way to break it down and make it look nice visually. Pie charts have a really nice visual presentation to them, and so we're going to look at how to do them. I'm going to show you how to do them in Excel. So first of all, what is a pie chart? It is a circle divided into sectors. Each sector represents a category of data. The area of each sector is proportional to the frequency of the category. All right, and so basically what we want to do is look at an example. So the following data represent the educational attainment of residents of the United States 25 years or older in 2017 based on data obtained from the U.S. Census Bureau. The data are in thousands. Construct a pie chart of the data. So this is 26,582, 60,032, 45,110, and so forth. All right. Okay, so I took that information that was in that chart and I copied and pasted it here in Excel. And so we have our categories: not a high school graduate, high school diploma, some college, no degree, associate's degree, bachelor's degree, graduate, or professional degree. And first thing I want to know is it didn't tell us in the information how many people were surveyed total. So I'm going to enter a formula here that's going to get the total of those that were surveyed. And so we're going to hit equal here. We're going to type in sum, put parentheses, and then you're going to highlight all the ones you want to add up. And you want to close your parentheses and hit enter. Okay, so what I did was I hit equal. I typed in sum, open parentheses, highlighted the values I wanted to add, and then put a close parentheses, and now I'm hitting enter. And it gives me the total number of individuals that were surveyed. Okay, 221,251. And now I'm going to also calculate the relative frequency. And I'm going to show you why I'm calculating the relative frequency in a minute. But remember, the relative frequency was equal to the frequency divided by the total. Okay, and I'm not going to click right here, even though I could click right here and it would give me that value. But if I click right there, then when I get ready to go and drag this down, it's going to give me an error, because what it's doing is, as I drag it down, it's changing the value of that bottom number, the denominator. See, look, it changes it to be 9, to be 11, be 10, and so forth, when I want it to stay the same. So instead of clicking in that box, what I'm going to do is, I want to click here because I want that frequency, but I'm going to divide it by, I'm going to actually type in the number 221,251, and I'm going to hit enter. And because I want that denominator to stay the same every time, I type in that number, and now I want to go and drag it down, and now it calculates my relative frequency for each category. You can change the number of decimal places by hitting here. I want to make it less decimal places, so I'm going to just keep hitting it so I get to the number of decimal places I want. I think I want 3 decimal places, so I'm going to stop and round it to the thousandths. That's 3 decimal places out. Now I want the percentage. So now how you go from a decimal to percent is you take this value and you multiply by 100. So you take the decimal and you multiply by 100, or you could just take the decimal and move it 2 times to the right. All right, so you can change it to a percentage by moving the decimal 2 times to the right, or by multiplying by a percentage. Or what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit equal in this. That way, all it's going to do is copy over. It's going to copy over that value, and I'm going to drag this down. It's just copying over the value from that column. And then while those are highlighted, I'm going to go up here and put percent. And it's going to automatically change all of those to a percent. So now I can see the percentage of individuals in the survey who were not a high school graduate, who were high school graduates, and so forth. The highest percentage during this time in 2017 was those who only had a high school diploma. So it was 27%, followed by those who had some college, which was the same as some who are those who had a bachelor's degree. Now I want to create a pie chart. So I'm going to highlight these 2 columns because these are the ones I want. I want the category and the frequency. Now, I didn't have to do this. The pie chart feature in Excel can also calculate the percentages for you, but I went ahead and did it so you know how to do it as well, how to get the percentages. So I want to go to insert, and over here you see this pie chart right here. I'm going to click on that, and I just want a regular 2D pie chart. And it creates the pie chart for me. And it's color coded. You can see the colors are kind of hard to see, but this dark blue here is your not a high school graduate. This light blue is your associate's degree. This orange is high school diploma, which we said was the largest. You can see it in the visual representation now. This purple is the bachelor's degree. Some college, no degree. Is which color? I can't tell. And the graduate of professional degrees. It's so small. Let me make it bigger. You can also change. Let me do this. You can also change click on the chart, and you can change the different layouts. And if you notice, one of the layouts has the percentages on it. So I'll click one with the percentage on it, so it'll show the percentage. And that's a little better. The key is a little bigger here, so you can actually see the colors now. So the colors go, this is actually graduate. This is bachelor's degree. This blue is associates. This green, this 20% is some college. This is high school, and this is not a high school. And it goes in order too. You can see the blue starts here, and it goes in order this way. So this is your pie chart, and this is how you would create it in Excel. All right. If you have any questions about how to do this or anything I did, don't hesitate to put them in the comments or send me an email, and I will respond as soon as I get a chance. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.